Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Sir, for formality's sake, may you introduce yourself?
My name is Comrade Peter JP. The Chimereeze. Only Ndigbo na Mushiland.
Okay, why are we here today, sir?
We are here to celebrate, to do the normal things we have been doing since 18 years ago. Because I have been in this position for over 17, 18 years ago now. Maybe next 2 or 3 years I will celebrate 20 years in office. You know, every year we usually thank God because it's not easy for keeping us alive in the first place. The second one, when you put little something on the ground, it will germinate. It bring out big something. You know, it's not magic. It's just God doing. You understand? Because we Igbos, we don't joke with yam. And we cultivate. We always cultivate. That is why at the end of the cultivation, we celebrate the harvest.
Okay, in your own personal assessment of your event today, what will you rate your event today?
It is wonderful. I thank God for everything. It's not by my power. It's just by the grace of. It's just by God's power. It's just God doing. It's not by man's power. So I thank God, and I have prayed that any person that comes here today, if you are sick, God will give you instant healing. Then if you have someone that is sick at your home, God will heal that person. When you reach home, God will heal that person. And if your business has not been prospering, from today it will prosper. Because our palace is a favorable palace. It's a palace where favors comes from the north, from the east, from the south, from the west. It's a favorable palace. So I thank God for everything.
Okay, sir. One question, please. Sir.
Yeah.
Today, as a leader, Igbo leader in Mushi, what advice do you have for the Igbo community and the Igbos living in Lagos?
But
in regards to relationship with the Igbo community.
The advice I have for Igbos living in Lagos is that this is not our land. There are some people that own the land. We're supposed to respect them and respect their culture. Even though it doesn't disturb us from doing our own. And if we are doing that our own, we do it in a normal way that will not bring problem. So, and we thank them for accommodating us because it's not easy. We thank them for accommodating us. And our good Lord will continue to protect and guide them in Jesus' name.
Okay, sir, how does this one harmonize the learning of Igbo culture and improve the cultural value to other tribes in Lagos?
Yes, like today, some Yorubas are here, Igbos are here, some Hausa communities are even represented, some Ukwus are here. You know, as we are doing this thing, we are seeing each other, we bring food, we eat together. It means, you know, it makes us to integrate with one another. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Even if fight comes out, you know, you will think, oh, this man I start with him so and so day. Anyway, you know, we have to think that we will always dine together, we eat together. It will reduce, you know, much. It will bring zero hatred. Culture is something that builds us together, just like football match. In terms of football, you don't know, we don't segregate, or they will say this is Igbo, this is Hausa, this is Nigeria. Once Nigeria is playing with another country, we think together and be supporting our country. That's how they say the same thing with culture. Culture is something that integrates us together, brings us together, binds us together. It's very nice.
Okay, so we observe we are diverting from culture into humanitarian, bringing Kidney Foundation.
Yeah.
So what inspired you bringing such?
Actually, you know, God, there's a way God created me, you know, in terms of humanity, giving, sacrificing to other people that less privileged. And at the end of the day, that is our main something. That is why that is the main something why God bring me to this institution, to be helping the less privileges. You know, I normally do it, even though I don't talk. When I do it, I don't talk. At times, when December reach like this, we normally visit all those. We visit the Araba, we visit the different places to, you know, give them what we have and pray for them. Even we wanted to even invite them for this occasion, but at the end of the day, it was a bit late. So that's why we didn't invite them. The Home of Blind, they usually come. We normally go there. So there's nothing, as we are remembering them, all those motherless and the motherless baby, as we are helping them, you know, remembering them, so also God will remember you. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Just like you visiting someone in the prison. They say when I was in the prison, you didn't visit me. God cannot be in prison. He say, when you visit a fellow human being in prison and they, you know, communicated with him or her, then that means that integration is there, that love is there. God always love such a thing. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay, so but your invitation, we can see you invited the #1 citizen in Mushi.
Yeah.
That's the Mushi local government chairman.
Yeah.
So what's their relationship? How do you assess his performance within the 100 days he has been in the office?
Wow, his performance is second to none. He's doing well. A lot. Even now, I'm done. Most of the road are doing now. He doesn't take them time to do. They just, which that is good. You know, he's still a young boy, so he's doing like a young boy. He's smart, and as he's smart, some of the work he's doing is also